Shine Story, welcome back to another vlog. Everything I do is content. Today I'm in La Hoqueta at Diamond Song's second annual Curry Duck Cookout. Thanks to everybody who's watching this vlog right now. Big up to all my subscribers. That breeze probably showing more off. I want to walk inside and see what is going on because it's a Curry Duck Cookout, you know. Yeah, Curry Duck. Let me go and see what is going on.
And there's one Maggie apron for each team. We don't have enough aprons for every team, but we have one for each team. The Maggie product is on the center table. Feel free to take where you want to cook with. And I think that's about it for now. We have another time. We have two other teams, they're running a little late. We go fully.
So here what's going on. We're here at Diamond Haven in La Hoqueta. It's only niceness. The corridor gonna start. Right now they can only season. They can't start cooking until the bell ring. Smooth, big up yourself. So we here. This year we here for sure. It's curry and duck. Big up Trini. Oh, and about one time I had to bring them up, you know, Loveindehouse. No, I can't complain so far. Everything going good. I just waited to see what is going on. Thank you, Miss Donna. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to everybody who watching the video right now. Sun going down in Trinidad and Tobago. I going back inside and wait for the bell to ring. That is when the competition starts. Now this vlog might go a little late, not too long. What the jail is this, boy? I hope it's not my duck on the people. I keep saying that. All right. I never used to pet mango too. My mother used to buy mangoes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the wait is finally over. This is time for me to start 2025 Corridor Cookout at the Diamond Haven. I want to say a special thanks to the judges, which is Super Hype from 94.1, Chef Akim, most of you all might know him, he's one of the judges, Brent and Sharon from Shelly's Kitchen. All four of them will be the judge here tonight. And at this point in time, I want to say, get, set, go.
Good night, everybody. So we are the Duck Thieves. The name came about because that's my cousin-in-law in the back there. He invited us to the cookout competition, and we didn't have an idea at the point in time. But my uncle had some ducklings he was raising. So without his permission, he stole two, and that's how we got the name Duck Thieves. But again, this year, one of the ducks, we bring them back. Because of course we cook the next one by the river, because you know we had that blood in we, right? We cooking the duck obviously with his curry corn, pepper roti. So we defending the title basically. But like I say, we here to sweep. We use the Maggi all purpose, as well as the Maggi chicken and the coconut powder milk, which is already in the pot. You know they had this here, but I'm not sure they had this on the table. But those were our choice, and we used some of the Maggi green seasoning.
Well, tonight we come out here just to show a little support now, you understand? The name of the team is we just liming. Partner the cook. I Ram. I Chow Man Carter, watch him. Yeah, I Chow Man, you understand? So we just come to show a little support now, you dig? We outside. Only product you use for Maggi is the coconut milk. Watch it.
Good night, everybody. We are the Soca Doctors, and we are having an old-fashioned cookout. No set of fandango, just an old school backyard cookout. No decorations, no tablecloths, because we know it's about the taste of the duck. So we are here to support our community, to support food, and support all our competitors. We are about love and respect for all. Thank you very much, all of you, for coming out and supporting Soca Doctors.
The duck team, we made an alcohol infused drink for our boy here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey, I hope I get drunk now.
You never know.
Right, so here what is going on. I get a drink here from Duck Teeth. I really appreciate this. Big up JB's. And they have a whole heap of cook with Duck Teeth, and I have to go and check them out soon. But I'm going to drink this and see how it tastes. I hope they're trying to get me drunk because I ain't trying to stay up here to die. I'm going to take a sip. Miss Donna, big up yourself.
My name is Chef Hakim, and we are here today for Diamond Haven's second annual corridor cookout. I'm one of the judges for this corridor competition today. So we are here today just to taste the lovely dishes and do some presentation. Well, write down the presentation, score the presentation from the participants who taken part in the corridor competition today.
So what do you look for when it comes to food?
Taste, presentation, creativity. Creativity to me is most important because I like people who could make nothing and create it into something, which is very important to me. Yeah, as well as the good island taste. I do catering and events from 2 people. A couple go straight up to 5,000, etc. So I do catering on a small, medium, and large scale in Trinidad and Tobago, and hoping to be internationally recognized. Chef Hakim on Instagram, Chef Hakim on all platforms, TikTok, IG, everything, even on YouTube as well.
Thank you for your time, huh?
You're welcome. Alright, well, all you don't know, corridor competition, team name is Soca Duck, we outside, you understand? You know what I end up out here. I remember I was sleeping, and my brother just passed and come and let me know, but here it is it. I start to Dr. Cook and Idiot, you understand? So that's how I end up out here, and I assist my brother. You don't know everything that goes along, you understand? We don't know out here, everything going nice, you understand? But there's a love story, you don't know.
Picking out the 3 white plain saucers so they don't know who it is. I don't get white sauce at home. David, go inside and bring some saucers in, a large amount. And for the general public, it's $50 for your saucer after the judge and take part. $50, and you're entitled to eat by any store and every store you want. Right? It's only $50. Nice, so Shabba to bring these saucers and give each stall 3 saucer to take out for the judge. They're not going to know who owns who. Nice? Shinezstory, Loveindehouse, Loveindehouse.
All the time.
They don't know. Covering the whole footage, everything nice. It's 2025, corridor cookout and the Diamond Haven. It's all good. DJ!
I want to say big up to JB's Roast Fish from right here in La Hoqueta. Big up yourself, brother. So right now the judges and I'm going to do the thing. I done ready to eat and bust out. But as I tell you before, if you want to see me eat that food, you got to go to my next YouTube channel, which is Shines Eat. Let me go and see what the judges and them have to say. Smooth, big up yourself. Yeah.
No bad for a cool duck, you know.
It's cool, yes.
It's like that, the charger. to the cold food business.
Yeah, boy, yeah, boy.
Yes, I know Dr. Spring Oil, but the duck soft. Duck soft. No, fine.
Fine black corridor competition, the coming real close like the hit and the then.
Cut oil. Oil.
Judging our corridor competition here, Lord.
Real oil. This one a real sauce in it. I didn't see no oil in it, none.
We have in second place we have the defending champion Duck Team. So in third place no other than Duck and Rum Crew. Hey, I didn't have no part to play in this. Don't come on, brother. Can I have somebody from Duck Teams to come and collect the prize, please? The winner, the first place winner is. All the teams that participate in today's corridor cookout, and of course the people asked for the judging that way, and it was that way. Right? It was a blind that the judge didn't know who cooked what, so nobody can say it was biased. I want to say big up to the Roman Duck team, and of course all of automatically have to take part in the competition next year again because you all are the winners. Right? Nice. And I appreciate the love that everybody give us. And next year it will be bigger and better. I want to big up all the sponsors. Maggie, the #1 sponsor, of course, the MP office, and of course, Chico's Mini Mart, Steve, all to give us little small items to make the event possible. I want to say thanks to everybody, and we can take a drink and have a good time. Next year, please, Lord, Corridor, the 3rd annual Corridor Cookout 2026. We're looking forward to it. Thank you. DJ Lou, we want everybody singing happy birthday. Sing out. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. And I can't all yeah.
Are you guys singing it now?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Make a wish, blow the candles. Make sure you don't only one blow, eh? Right. Camera. Wishing you more life, health and strength, prosperity, happiness, full world. Yeah?